Join me as I explore Florida's most stunning beaches that you won't believe actually exist, and I'm going to try to find the hidden gems that even locals don't know about. Florida is famous for its incredible beaches, but I think many of us have the same idea in mind: crowded spots like Miami Beach or Daytona Beach. But what if I told you that there's more to Florida than just the usual tourist traps? There are so many breathtaking beaches that remain under the radar, waiting to be discovered. People often assume that all of Florida's best beaches are overcrowded and commercialized, but that's not entirely true. Sure, some spots can get busy, especially during peak season, but there are plenty of hidden coves and secluded stretches of sand that offer a more relaxed vibe. And that's exactly what we're going to explore today. The problem is that many of these lesser-known beaches aren't as well publicized, so they tend to fly under the radar. But trust me, they're worth seeking out. From pristine white sand to crystal clear waters, Florida has a diverse range of beaches that are just begging to be explored. Let's start with Fort DeSoto Park in St. Petersburg. This beach is a real gem, with 5 interconnected islands to explore and plenty of opportunities for swimming, kayaking, and even fishing. And with its historic fort and nature trails, there's more to this beach than just sunbathing. Another standout spot is Anastasia State Park in St. Augustine. This beach boasts some of the most stunning scenery in the state, with towering sand dunes, tidal marshes, and a historic lighthouse to explore. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even go horseback riding or try your hand at paddleboarding. The beaches of Sanibel Island are also not to be missed. Located on the Gulf Coast, Sanibel is famous for its shell-filled shores and tranquil atmosphere. And with its wildlife refuge and picturesque lighthouses, there's plenty to see and do beyond just relaxing on the beach. Cocoa Beach is another favorite of mine. It's a bit more lively than some of the other spots on this list, but its retro vibe and stunning natural scenery make it a must-visit. And if you're a surfer, you'll love the consistent waves at this beach. Of all the beaches I've visited in Florida, though, my absolute favorite has got to be Caladesi Island State Park. I visited this beach on a solo trip a few years ago, and it completely blew me away. The sand was like powder, the water was crystal clear, and the island itself was teeming with wildlife. I spent hours exploring the island, and I still couldn't get enough. What really made Caladesi Island stand out, though, was the sense of adventure that came with getting there. You have to take a ferry or kayak to reach the island, which makes it feel like a real treasure hunt. And when you finally arrive, you're rewarded with a beach that's as beautiful as it is untouched. I've been to a lot of beaches in my travels, but there's just something special about Caladesi Island. Maybe it's the fact that it's only accessible by boat, or maybe it's the incredible scenery, but whatever it is, it's definitely a spot that I'll be returning to again and again. So, what makes Caladesi Island so special? For me, it's the combination of natural beauty, adventure, and tranquility that makes it a real standout. And I think that's what sets it apart from some of the more popular spots in Florida. So there you have it, a few of Florida's most stunning beaches that you might not have heard of before. From Fort DeSoto to Caladesi Island, each of these spots offers a unique experience that's definitely worth exploring. We'd love to hear from you, though. What's your favorite Florida beach, and have you discovered any hidden gems that you think we should know about? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to check out our video on the best kept secrets of the Florida Keys for more travel inspiration.